Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can bleep audio or video in CapCut PC. So, I'm just going to record myself saying something random. Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. And yeah, okay, I don't know. Anyways, I'm just going to go to a part where I want to like bleep. I'll just bleep out channel. So, I'm just going to kind of like separate them from the other audio. I'm just going to make it have no sound. Go to the audio section and then go to sound effects and then type in bleep. Bleepy bleep. Nope. Beep maybe? Why can I not find bleep? Okay, there we go. Let's do beep. And I'm just going to make it less loud because that hurt my ear. Adjust it and then that's it. Hey guys, welcome back to this. Okay, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys, and if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!